Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Brevo for email marketing in 2025. Whether you are a beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will show you how to create campaigns, build your list, and send emails like a pro. Let's get started. First of all, what is Brevo? Brevo is an all-in-one marketing platform with a strong focus on email marketing. You can send newsletter, you can send newsletters, create automated email flows, manage your contacts, and even use SMS and WhatsApp messaging, all from one dashboard. It's beginner friendly and has a generous free plan. So, step 1, sign up. Go to bravo.com, then click sign up for free. Now you can sign up with your Google account or Apple account. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary email and set a strong password. If you have already an account, just click login from here and enter your credentials. Then click login. Or you can also sign in with your Google account. Just click on it and, and choose your Google account from here. Enter your phone number, then click send verification code, and now enter your verification code from your mobile number. So once you are in, add your company name, email address, and sender information. You will also need to verify your sender email. To make sure your emails don't land in spam. Connect a domain for better deliverability. Go to settings from your dashboard, then click domains, then add your domain. Follow the DNS steps Bravo gives you. Before sending emails, you will need contacts. Ways to ways to add contacts in Bravo. Manually add contacts one by one. Upload a .csv file. Use a sign-up form on your site. Create custom contact lists like newsletter, subscribers, customers, or leads to stay organized. Now let's create your first campaign. Go to campaigns from the left sidebar, then click create a campaign or go to email section. Name your campaign. This is internal only. Choose your sender email and subject line. Select your contact list. Choose a template or start from scratch. Use Bravo's drag and drop editor to build your email, add text, images, buttons, and social icons. Personalize with first name tags like contact.firstname. Now preview and test. Always click preview. Send a test email to yourself before sending it to everyone. Brevo also lets you automate emails based on triggers. Examples: welcome email when someone signs up, abandoned cart emails for e-commerce, birthday or anniversary emails. To use it, go to automation from left sidebar, create workflow, choose a template or build from scratch, add triggers, conditions and sections like send email. This is a powerful way to engage your audience automatically. Here are some quick tips for effective emails using Brevo. Keep subject lines short and attention grabbing. Use one clear call to action per email. Make sure your design looks great on mobile. Use Bravo's A/B testing feature to test headlines and content. Add an unsubscribe link. It's required and keeps your list healthy. Once your campaign is sent, you can track performance right from the dashboard. Brevo shows open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, unsubscribes. Use these metrics to improve your next emails. For example, if you if your open rate is low, try a different subject line or send time. And that's how you use Brevo for email marketing in 2025. Final tips: start with small campaigns and test often. Clean your contact list regularly. Use automation to save time and boost engagement. If you want a video on advanced automation or growing your list faster, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you the next time.